So yummy. You guys gonna love it. And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Indonesian salad. Are you ready, guys? I have extra firm organic tofu and original tempeh, also known as organic soybean, and bean sprout. I have green kale, or you can use spinach. I have hard-boiled egg and cabbage. I have cucumber. I have chayote. I slice them up like this, and long bean and carrot stick. I'm going to boil all vegetables. This is it. This is my recipe Indonesian veggie salad. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please like, subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.